Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Had to say something different because my boyfriend's laughing at me. So today's
Throw me under the bus. What?
Today's macros. Alright, so today I started my day with a bulletproof coffee, which is my 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. And then I had gone out to eat. I'm really blue right now. There we go. I had gone out to eat and I had a meat lover skillet and it had ham, bacon, and sausage and 4 eggs and some cheese. And then for dinner I made a half zucchini lasagna and the other half regular lasagna. And that just had pork sausage, ground beef, mozzarella cheese. I used the Rayo's tomato basil sauce, cottage cheese, 1 egg, and then some zucchini slices. So all in all, I had 10 grams of carbs, 110 grams of fat, and 91 grams of protein, and 1411 calories. So I stayed under on everything. I think today was a pretty good day. I still have 11 grams of carbs left if I wanted to go eat something, but I'm not really hungry. I'm enjoying one of those blueberry Diet Cokes with some Jack Daniels. So that's my night tonight.